Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to join a Bitget Launchpad. Right. So first up, gotta go to bitget.com, and then once you're in here, hover your mouse onto trade. Now hover onto Launch Hub right here, and then just click on Launchpad. Okay. So click on it, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, here you have the Launchpad section. So what you're going to do here basically is just browse the list of ongoing or upcoming projects. Okay. For example, these ones right here, and these ones have ended already. You can go ahead and click on view details. As you can see here, these two has ended as well. So let's just go ahead and find another one. Ended. Okay. Pretty unlucky. Ended. So just basically select one that is ongoing. For example, this one right here. Okay. And just click on register or participate. Okay. To officially enter the event. Now that one's done, you're good to go. You just joined the Bitget Launchpad. Now, a few things to keep in mind right here. Okay, so the accumulation of lottery tickets, or basically your eligibility for tickets, is based on your daily average BGB holdings. Just make sure that you have enough or more than enough BGB onto your assets, okay? As Bitget right here takes random daily snapshots of the BGB in your spot account to calculate your average holdings, and your BGB to other accounts like futures, copy trading will be excluded, okay? Make sure that you have the BGB asset in your spot account. All right, and there you have it. That is how you join the Bitget Launchpad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you at the next one.